Good morning, students. Welcome back to today's class. We have been solving questions from the exercise 6.3. In yesterday's class, we have finished 3 questions, and in today's class, I'm going to cover the rest of the questions. Question number 4. Question number 4, it's given like this. In figure 6.42, if lines PQ and RS, these are the lines PQ and RS, intersect at point T. They are intersecting at this point T, such that PRT is 40 degrees. This is PRT 40 degrees, RPT 95 degrees, and TSQ is 75 degrees. So find SQT. So this is what asked to find out. So let us consider this as X, जो हमें find करना है. So we are asked to find out SQT value. First of all, can you consider here, can you see that you are able to see some triangles over here? PRT is a triangle. We can write the solution like this. PRT here is a triangle. So we will write in triangle PRT. We can use angle sum property of a triangle so that we will get this value. After getting this value, this also becomes the same, vertically opposite angles. So in this triangle we have 1, 2. So third angle can be easily calculated. So I'm writing the answer here. In triangle PRT, angle P, or we can write it as RPT. Angle P को हम RPT लिखेंगे, angle RPT plus angle PRT plus angle PTR. Sum of 3 angles must be equal to 180 degrees. So in these 3, we have 2 known values, that is RPT is 95 degrees plus PRT is 40 degrees plus PTR is unknown. So we will write it as it is. PTR is equal to 180 degrees. Out of we can add these 2 angles, 95 plus 40, that is 135 degrees. This is 135 degrees plus PTR is 180 degrees. Now we need PTR. So leave PTR on left side. PTR is equal to 180. This 135 comes right side, minus 135 degrees. So subtraction of these two, 180 minus 135 is 45 degrees. It is 45. 45 plus 35 is 80. We have got this angle, that is angle at T, 45 degrees. So what about this angle? Here it is also 45, vertically opposite angle. So that we can write it as angle PTR is equal to angle STQ. Vertically opposite angles, right? So here therefore angle STQ is equal to 45 degrees. Now what do we require? Angle at Q. So again we will consider this triangle. In triangle TSQ, we will write the angle sum property. Angle sum property of the triangle, that is angle TSQ, angle at Q plus angle TQS, angle T, or we can write it as STQ plus QTS. Sum of 3 angles is equal to 180 degrees. Now out of 3 we have 2 angles. TSQ we have, that is TSQ is 75 degrees. So here we'll write 75 degrees plus STQ is 45 degrees plus QTS we have taken as X, unknown value, is 180. Therefore 75 plus 45, 70 plus 40 is 110, 5 plus 5 10, so it is 120 degrees plus X is equal to 180. Now we need only X, so X is equal to 180 minus 120 degrees, so is equal to 60 degrees. So therefore SQT जो हमें फाइंड करने के लिए क्वेश्चन दिया था, SQT इज इक्वल टू 60 डिग्रीज. So that's it about this question. Very easy question. We have used two properties, angle sum property and then vertically opposite angle property. To find out this angle, we have used angle sum property. To find this angle, we have used vertically opposite angles. And again, to find this value, the ultimate value, we have used this angle sum property of the triangle. So that's about question number 4. Question number 5 from the NCERT, exercise 6.3. Question number 5 is, in this diagram, PQ is perpendicular to PS. Here this line PQ and PS are perpendicular. That's the reason here this symbol is mentioned. So here given data is PQ is perpendicular to PS. So here we can write 90 degrees. Okay. Then what else is given? PQ is parallel to RS. This PQ is parallel to RS. These two are parallel lines. See, these two are parallel lines. Not only this is perpendicular, but this is also a transversal. A line intersecting two parallel lines is a transversal. Okay, and then SQR is given. SQR, this is 28 degrees. And then here we'll write PQ is parallel to RS. Angle SQR is given, that is equal to 28 degrees. And QRT, this angle is 65 degrees. QRT is 65 degrees. So find the values of X and Y. So here X and Y values are, what are these values? They are unknown values. So find X and Y. X and Y values हमें find करना है. So if you carefully observe here, we need to follow according to what is given in the data or in the question. PQ and RS are parallel. P is 90 degrees and two more angles are given. So these are the given clues using which we have to answer the question. For suppose this is 90 degrees and this is transversal. If this is a transversal, then obviously QS is also transversal because PQ RS are parallel lines. So इन दोनों को कट करने वाला जो भी लाइन होता है, इंटरसेक्ट करने वाला कॉमन लाइन, that is a transversal. So if this is X here, here also it must be X. Alternate interior angles. Okay. Then we can also see that if you consider triangle QSR or SRQ triangle, here we have got a triangle angle which is 65 degrees, which is an exterior angle to triangle SQR. It is an exterior angle. So I'll write it here in triangle SRQ QRT, angle QRT is an exterior angle. This statement you have to write, exterior angle. So if it is an exterior angle, what did we learn in the previous class about exterior angle? Exterior angle which is formed by extending one of its sides of the triangle is equal to sum of the two interior opposite angles. So these are the two interior opposite angles, X and this value. These are the two interior opposite angles. So we can write this as QR. So QRT is equal to SQR plus QSR. These are the two interior opposite angles. Now QRT is already given, that is 65 degrees. SQR is 28 degrees plus QSR, this is X. So from this we can find out X value. How much will be X value? X is equal to, this goes to other side and gets subtracted from 65. 65 में से ये subtract हो जाएगा and we get 65 minus 28 or 15 minus 8 is 7, 5 minus 2 is 37 degrees. So X value we have got, that is 37 degrees. So here we can write as 37 degrees. Okay, now what about y? As it is mentioned, PS is perpendicular. PS and PQ are perpendicular. Now PS is a PQ and SR, these two lines are parallel. So PS is a transversal. Now we compare look at these angles. 90, Y and X. All these angles are on the same side. Or you can write it like this. If this is 37, here also it is 37. Because these two are alternate interior angles. Now consider triangle PQS. Triangle PQS. Therefore, we can write here PQS is equal to, angle PQS is also equal to 37 degrees, alternate interior angles. That statement you write. Now finally, in triangle PQS, we have angle P90 and angle X. This is 37. This is only the unknown value. So we'll write the angle sum property, that is angle PQS plus PSQ plus QPS, sum of three angles, is equal to 180. So out of three angles we have PQS, that is 37, plus PSQ is unknown y value, y, QPS is 90 degrees, is equal to 180. So इसमें से हमें सिर्फ y चाहिए. 37 plus 90 is equal to 127. So here y is equal to 180 minus ये 37 plus 90 का जो summation है 127 comes to another side, it is 127. 180 में से 127 को minus करना है. We will get the answer as 53. The answer is 53 degrees. 50 plus 20, 70, 3 plus 7, 10, 80. So that's it. We have got the y value here and we have got x value here, 37. So this is question number 5 from the exercise 6.3. Question number 6 from the exercise. This is the last question of this exercise. In figure 6.44, the side QR of triangle PQR is produced. This is triangle PQR. This is the basic triangle. And in this triangle, QR side is produced. That means extended. And a point is taken on it, S. Then if the bisectors of triangle angle PQR. So in triangle PQR, we have angle Q, that is PQR. So here this QT is the bisector of PQR and RT is the bisector of PRS. These are the PRS is exterior angle, PQR is an interior angle of the triangle PQR. So इन दोनों angles को bisect करते हुए, bisect means drawing a line which makes it into two equal parts. So QT, RT, these are the two bisectors. They are intersecting at point T. They are intersecting at point T. So then prove that angle QTR, that means QTR, this angle is equal to half of angle QPR. यहाँ जो angle है इस angle में half करके हमें proof करना है. This is the question. Understood? Question में two bisectors दिए हैं और एक एंगल बाइसेक्टर, एक एक्सटीरियर एंगल भी दिया है. सो इन्हीं प्रॉपर्टीज़ को, एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी को और एंगल सम प्रॉपर्टीज़ को यूज़ करके ही इस क्वेश्चन को हमें सॉल्व करना रहेगा. सो लेट अस सी द आंसर. ट्रायंगल PQR. इफ यू सी दिस ट्रायंगल PQR, in this triangle PRS is the exterior angle. In triangle PQR, PRS is an exterior angle. This is an exterior angle. So we will write the exterior angle property. For this exterior angle, what are the interior opposite angles? QPR and PQR. These are the two interior opposite angles. So according to exterior angle property, we will write angle PRS is equal to, this is equal to sum of QPR plus angle PQR. So from this जो हमें एक्चुअली प्रूफ करना है उसमें QTR होना चाहिए और QPR होना चाहिए, तो इसलिए हम इस इक्वेशन में से QPR को एक साइड में लिखते हैं, बाकी एक साइड में लेकर आते हैं. सो आई विल लीव असाइड QPR को उसके प्लेस में रहने देता हूँ, एंड देन PQR को लेफ्ट साइड हम भेजते हैं, यानी कि अदर साइड इट गेट्स सब्ट्रैक्टेड. यहाँ पे जो एडिशन में है इट इज एन एडिशन, and when it goes to other side it comes to the subtraction. So PRS is already there, angle PRS, and it goes to other side, gets subtracted there, PQR. Now let this be equation 1. इसको equation 1 बना देना. Now another property here is triangle QRT. Now take this triangle QRT. This triangle is also having an exterior angle. Consider in triangle QRT. For this triangle also we have an exterior angle. This one we have got an exterior angle here. So we will write TQR. Angle TRS is an exterior angle, right? TRS is an exterior angle. So what we need to do, we will write the same property, exterior angle property, angle TRS. What does the property say? Sum of TRS is equal to, TRS means that is exterior angle is equal to sum of two opposite interior angles. What are the two opposite interior angles? TQR plus QTR. These are the two angles. So TRS is equal to QTR plus TQR. Angle TQR plus angle QTR. हमें जो प्रूफ करना है उसमें हमें QTR चाहिए, है ना. सो इसमें से भी हम QTR को एक साइड रहने देते, बाकी दूसरे साइड लेकर जाते हैं. सो QTR पॉजिटिव वैल्यू is equal to TQR goes to other side. TRS is already there. TRS, it is in addition, when it goes to other side it comes to the subtraction. TQR. Okay, let this be equation 2. Now हमें जो एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स जो दिया है, नाउ लेट अस यूज दैट डेटा. एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स, व्हाट आर दोज एंगल बाइसेक्टर्स? PQR angle is divided into two parts, PQT and TQR. So here we will write this statement first. Here angle PQT is equal to angle TQR. उसके बाद angle same here, these two angles are also bisected. So we can write angle PRT is equal to TRS. TRS angle is equal to PRT. ये दोनों भी equal हैं. So we will write that property. PQR is equal to angle PQR जो bisect किया गया है, PQR is equal to sum of two angles, right? What are they? PQT, these two angles, PQT plus TQR. So इसमें PQT plus TQR ये दोनों सेम ही हैं. So PQT प्लेस भी अभी हम TQR लिखेंगे. We'll write TQR plus TQR. अब इन दोनों सेम, ये दोनों सेम वैल्यूज हैं, so it becomes 2TQR. Okay, this becomes 2TQR. Then second one, PTRS. Here PRS जो है उसको लिए हम लिखेंगे PRS is also an exterior angle. PRS is here PRS is sum of two angles that are PRT and TRS. PRT plus TRS, and they both are equal also. So I'll write in place of PRT, I'll write TRS only. Again TRS plus it's already TRS, so it is equal to 2TRS. Okay, so it is 2TRS. In place of this I'll write as, this is PRS. PRS is equal to 2TRS, or 2TRS. Now here we have 2TQR. PQR is equal to. Now let us take equation 1, or we will take equation 2. Equation 2 is QTR is equal to TRS minus TQR. This is equation 2. इसमें अपने पास TRS है और TQR भी है. दिस इज 2TQR and दिस इज 2TRS. इसमें से इस 2 को अदर साइड यदि हम भेजते हैं, ये PRS इज इक्वल टू TRS की जगह पे हम ये 2 लेफ्ट साइड में आने के बाद 1/2 हो जाएगा, इज इक्वल टू TRS. ओके, सेम हियर ऑल्सो. इस 2 को हम लेफ्ट साइड भेजते हैं तो दिस कम्स टू अदर साइड एंड इट कम्स इनटू द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म. So in place of TRS I can write 1/2 PRS minus, in place of TQR we can write 1/2 PQR. Okay, this is equal to QTR. Then next what actually we are asked to prove? PRS, इन दोनों में हाफ हम कॉमन लेते हैं, PRS माइनस PQR बचेगा, and then again half into PRS minus PQR. This is there somewhere. See this equation 1. PRS minus PQR is equation 1. So PRS minus PQR is equal to what? QPR. So we'll write here QPR. Right? QPR. What is this? QTR is equal to. So what we have done here? We have got our answer. What we are asked to prove? QTR is equal to half QPR. So that's what we have proved at the end. So I'll just give you an overview of this answer. First we have written the exterior angle property for this angle, that is PRS. PRS जो exterior angle है उसके लिए हमने इक्वेशन लिखा है और उसमें से QPR को सेपरेट किया. देन वी हैव रिटन एक्सटीरियर एंगल प्रॉपर्टी फॉर दी TRS. TRS के लिए ये दोनों एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स होंगे, उसमें से भी हमने QTR को सेपरेट किया. वी हैव सेपरेटेड QTR. एंड देन बाइसेक्टेड एंगल्स को हमने लिया है, बाइसेक्टेड एंगल्स PQR एंड PRS. उन दोनों में से TRS TQR को सेपरेट किया और उन्हीं को इक्वेशन 2 में पुट अप किया. Then we have got the final answer. Hence it is proved. So this is about question number 6.